What's up, fam? We back here with another video, yet with Car Fantic. But you know, this is not a car vlog, you feel me? It is not a car vlog. I'm telling y'all, I've been gone for a minute. I mean, I'm back. I'm not sure for how long, but I'm back. Sorry, I've been missing content, you know. I had an accident in Veloster. Post coming up on that soon. Bought a new car. Everything back in line. Had school to deal with and everything dealing with my life. But you know, today, well, the other day, let's go back a few days. I'm gonna take y'all back. Cause right now we're just gonna do some destroying content, you feel me? So boom, I have here my baseball bat. You already know how this gonna go down. I will be destroying the iPhone 6s Plus. But well, the other day I destroyed it. I never made an intro though, so you feel me? I will be back with more content. Car meet vlogs, car reviews, and just whatever y'all want to see. Let me know what y'all want to see in the comments. And if I haven't said it yet, go down. I mean, you know, like, comment, and subscribe. The button is right there. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit the little dinger, the little bell over there on the side. You know what I mean? Just go over there and hit it. But yeah, today, you know, I'm just swing through that thing. You feel me? But yeah, back a day ago. I should have had some music playing.
Strike one. Strike two. Oh, alright.
Hey, hold on, alright. What in the world? I just put a hole in the grass, bro.
It's like a gunshot.